What's good, people? It's a beautiful Friday. TGIF. TGIF. I know a lot of us look forward to Fridays because obviously that means the end of a work week for a lot of us. That means the weekend where we can kind of relax, chill a little bit. Well, I don't know if you got kids. It's not really a relaxing time anyway, but TGIF. I just want to hit you with a little inspiration, a little message. And there's a story about, a true story, about the inventor of the microwave. His name is Percy Spencer. And he invented the microwave in 1947. Of course, he had to continue to work on it. And in 1955, the first commercial microwave came out. But due to it weighing about 750 pounds and costing $2,000, obviously it didn't hit America's kitchen. He did some more tweaking, some more working, because everything is a process. And in 1967, the first commercial microwaves to hit America's kitchen cost about $500. So America can handle that. That gave us the ability to warm things up, not warm things up, heat things up very quickly. From meat to popcorn to soup, whatever you wanted to do. Nachos, quick, fast. This brought America, was one of the technologies that brought America into the convenience stage. We want everything quick. Microwave, fast food. We're not trying to wait for anything. Patience, no longer a virtue, unfortunately. So I say this to say that we are so used to doing things so fast. The mindset of the process is going out the door. God says in Revelation chapter 3 verse 16 that he would prefer us to be hot or cold, not lukewarm. If you are lukewarm, he says that he will spew thee out of his mouth. He'll spit you out. Once again, I say this to say, do not go to work lukewarm. Do not enter your marriage lukewarm. Do not be your brother's keeper in a lukewarm fashion. Lukewarm is a synonym for mediocre. Are you mediocre? Were you born to be mediocre? Are you about mediocrity? Or do you put your whole into things? Do you put your 110 into things? Ever since the beginning of time, the spiritual principle is not to be lukewarm, not to be mediocre. So, as the microwave was invented, man was created. The microwave was created to heat things up. Heat them up in a matter of seconds. The same thing, man was not created to be mediocre. They say that we only use about 10% of our brains. Imagine if you or I jump into the 80%, hypothetically. Where is our drive? Where is our faith? It takes a mental strength to use your mind and to get out of mediocre. But we have the power to do it. And like in every message, one foot forward, one step in front of the other. One step in front of the other. Day by day. Walk up that hill. Let's stop the mediocrity, people. Let's kill the mediocrity. It's not something that we have to do. It's a choice. let's try to dip into our goal 80%. So right now, if we're operating at 10, by next week, let's get to 20. The week after that, 30. Because you can do it. I can do it. And I keep sharing with you guys. I'm going to keep sharing my story because I'm still starting at rock bottom. But I'm trying to make a progression every week. Still working on my #1 shot at my next venue. Hasn't happened yet. But I still have the faith of a mustard seed. I know it's going to happen. So until I get my first shot at my first venue, I'm going to be preparing, writing, reading, and studying. All right, people? TGIF. Have a blessed weekend.